Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about 20 English words beginning with letter W. Wading pool or paddling pool. This means a shallow swimming pool for children to play in, especially one made of plastic that you can fill with water. Example: wading pools are very useful during summers. The walking wounded. This means people who have been injured in a battle or an accident, but who are still able to walk. Example: John was one of the walking wounded during the war. Walk over. This means an easy victory in a game or competition. Example: winning the game was a walkover. Wanderer. This means a person who keeps traveling from place to place with no permanent home. Example: you've been a wanderer for as long as I have known you. Wane. This means to become gradually weaker, smaller, or less important. Example: the moon is beginning to wane. The synonym for wane is decrease. Wannabe. This means a person who behaves, dresses, walks like somebody famous or rich because they want to be like them. Example: he is Michael's wannabe. Warm-hearted. This means of a person kind, friendly, and sympathetic. Example: a warm-hearted gentleman, a warm-hearted woman. Warmonger. This means a person, especially a politician or a leader, who encourages people to start a war. Example: this is a clear warmongering speech. Washed out. This means of clothes or color no longer brightly colored or worn out, especially as a result of frequent washing. Example: she was wearing a pair of washed out jeans. The paint on the wall is beginning to wash out. Wash out. This means an event, etc., that is a complete failure, especially because of rain. An event that has been ruined by rain. Example: the party was a washout due to the heavy downpour last night. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you. Well worn. This means worn or used a lot or for a long time. Example: he was wearing a well-worn wristwatch, a well-worn shirt. Well paid. This means earning or paying a lot of money. Example: I just got a well-paid job in an insurance company. Well attended. This means attended by a lot of people. Example: a well-attended wedding reception. Weighty. This means important and serious. Example: those were weighty allegations against the chairman. Weird. This means very strange or unusual and difficult to explain. Example: he has a weird attitude. A weird creature. Weepy. This means sad and tending to cry easily. Example: He had a weepy little boy. Webhead. This means a person who uses the internet a lot. Example, he's such a webhead. Weather beaten. This means of a person or their skin rough and damaged because the person spends a lot of time outside. Example, so many years of working on the farm has made his skin weather beaten. Well off. This means rich, having a lot of money. Example, well off kids. Well groomed. This means of a person looking clean, neat, and carefully dressed. Example, I saw a well groomed young man. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.